What's up, viewers? Today I'm doing an unboxing of Scott Pilgrim vs. the World, the game complete edition. I noticed that YouTube only has like special editions with a different cover box. This is the limited run games edition found at your local Best Buy. So without further ado, let's get this open. Let's start from this side. I'm hoping there's artwork inside because it is a little heavy. Let's see. Nice. That's what I like to see. Oh, look at this. Look at that artwork. The band all together jamming. That's pretty cool. See that there. Now this booklet here, almost like the Super Nintendo. It's awesome. The manual with the instructions. Some bio, how to play. Ooh, character breakdowns. Villains. Nice. The co-op play. Now, this is pretty cool. I like it when these games bring manuals, when they bring artwork on the inside. It's pretty dope. I love it. Ooh, and a map of the game. This is great. This is like a must-have. You must add to your collection if you are a collector, such as myself. And there's the game. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Like I said, there wasn't any video on this edition on YouTube, so I'll probably be the first to have it up. Again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.